A very warm morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today I am going to teach you small cursive letter S and J. Small cursive letter S and J. So kids, can you please tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a strawberry. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Come on this side now. Can you please tell me, what is this now? This is a jug. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, now we will see different formation of S and J with the help of these tools. So look over here kids and pay attention. The first formation is capital letter J. The first formation is capital letter J. Come on the next one. The next one is small letter J. The next one is small letter J. Come on the next one. This is capital cursive letter J. Capital cursive letter J. Today we will see small cursive letter J. So this one is small cursive letter J. So kids, as you can see, few pictures are there below these formations. So let's see. First one is jacket. J for jacket. J for jacket. You all wear jackets in winters, no? Yes, the same jacket. J for jacket. Come on the next one. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish lives in the water. This is a joker. J for joker. J for joker. Next is jug. I have drawn that picture on the board also. J for jug. J for jug. Now we will see formations of letter S. So look over here. The first one is capital letter S. The first one is capital letter S. Jump on the next one. The next one is small letter S. The next one is small letter S. Next one is capital cursive letter S. Capital cursive letter S. Today we will see small cursive letter S. So this one is small cursive letter S. This is written between the second and the third line. So kids, as you can see few pictures below these formations. So let's see what are these pictures. The first one is strawberry. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. Strawberry is a fruit. Come on the next one. S for ship. S for ship. Now the next one is S for sheep. S for sheep. Sheep gives us wool. S for sheep. The next one is shoe. S for shoe. S for shoe. So kids, these are few vocabularies you can use for letter S and J. Now we will see how to write small cursive letter S and J in preset book. So kids, open your page number 46 and do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. Okay kids, now put your pencil on the third line. We will see how to trace small cursive letter S. We will make S between the second and the third line. Pay attention, make a slanting line up, then make a loop, make a curve touching the third line and go out like this. Okay kids? Look over here again, slanting line up till the second line, then a loop, come down till the third line, touch the third line and a curve, go out like this. Okay kids? Look over here for the last time. Let's see the tracing. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a loop, come down making a curve, touch the third line, then go out like this. So this way you can trace your letter S. Look over here once again. We will see on single dot now. Slanting line up, make a loop, make a curve, touch the third line and out like this. Slanting line up, make a loop, then a curve, touch the third line and out like this. Okay kids? Now look over here, pay attention kids. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a loop, make a curve, then touch the third line and out like this. Very good kids, write very neatly in your preset book. Then come again, look over here, slanting line up, make a loop, make a curve, touch the third line and out like this. This way you can make your small cursive letter S. Once again let's see, slanting line up, make a loop, curve, touch the third line and out like this. Okay kids? Look over here for the last time. Slanting line up, make a loop, make a curve, touch the third line and out like this. So kids, this way you can do your small cursive letter S tracing and on single dot. Okay? Now come on page number 48. Okay? Now we will see tracing of J, small cursive letter J. So put your pencil over here kids on the third line. Make a slanting line up, come down straight, then make a curve touching the fourth line. Go up, make a loop and out like this. Okay kids, look over here once again. Slanting line up, come down straight, then make a curve touching the fourth line. Then go up, make a loop and out like this. For the last time, look over here. Slanting line up, come down straight, make a curve touching the fourth line and go up, make a loop, go out like this. Okay kids, so this way you can trace your small cursive letter J. Now let's see on single dot. Look over here, slanting line up, come down straight, touch the fourth line, make a curve, go up and out like this. Put a dot over it like this. Okay kids? Slanting line up, come down, make a straight line, touch the fourth line, make a curve, go up, loop and out like this. And a dot. Slanting line up, come down, touch the fourth line, make a curve, go up, then a loop and out like this. Put a dot over it. So look over here once again. Pay attention kids. Slanting line up, come down straight, make a curve touching the fourth line, then a loop and out like this. Put a dot over it. Very nice. Slanting line up, come down straight, make a curve, then loop and out like this. Then we'll put a dot over it. For the last time kids, look over here. Slanting line up, come down straight, then a curve touching the fourth line, loop and go out like this. And we'll put a dot over it. So kids, this way you can make your small cursive letter J. So you have to complete in your preset book your page number 46. You have to do tracing of small cursive letter S very neatly and beautifully, and also your page number 48 you have to write small cursive letter J. Okay, write very neatly, beautifully. I hope you understood how to write small cursive letter S and J. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.